Maxwell has helped thousands of dental professionals promote their practice for over 25 years. And although a lot has changed over time, one constant is that practice promotion can be accomplished very effectively for a relatively low cost. Keeping things simple is usually the best approach, and why over 10,000 professionals choose to promote their practice with Maxwell's exceptional line of toothbrushes, floss, and oral care accessories every day. Maxwell helped pioneer the concept of printing your name, number, and message on brushes, floss, and other oral care items across Canada for nearly 3 decades. Maxwell was also first and only to offer practices the option of full high-definition color graphic printing on more oral care items than most distributors even carry. Maxwell's direct business model provides more product, higher quality, faster service, and fewer errors than any other brand. So it is no wonder that Maxwell is still the brand that more dental professionals are choosing to promote their practice. Maxwell is proud to launch another true innovative concept in practice promotion with our Shop Like a Hygienist program. Now when you purchase imprinted items to promote your practice and reward your patients, you will also be rewarding yourself, while at the same time offering them exclusive access to oral care items and professional pricing. Our Shop Like a Hygienist program offers novel and valuable features to help you build your brand and get the acknowledgement you deserve. The core concept of this program is simple. When you buy any Maxwell imprinted items, you are immediately eligible for free additional promotional items, which will provide your patients with a unique code for exclusive deals on Maxwell products through online ordering, provide recommended oral care products not available in retail outlets to help promote positive preventative practices. Plus, every order your patients place with your unique code will earn you 1 professional point, which can be redeemed for free product, rewards, and gifts. Maxwell's unique program is the only one that truly has your best interest in mind. No one else has such a comprehensive line of imprintable oral care items or specialty preventative products. And no one else is as focused on helping you building your business, reward your patients, and reward yourself with Maxwell's Shop Like a Hygienist program. Ask your local representative today and learn how you can receive free personalized pamphlets, promotional gifts, and materials on your next order. Patients already love the free products they receive from you at the end of their visit. Now, for no additional cost, they can receive exclusive access to products, promotional gifts, excellent discounts, and additional dental resources, while you simultaneously earn points to continue promoting your practice or indulge yourself in a few well-earned perks. Call your local sales representative today or check out www.maxwell.com to learn more and start earning for free.